probably the hottest bike for 2022. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron, and I have something that I'm very excited about today. This is 2022 Honda CRF250R, and this right here I think is the bike that got the most updates for 2022 year. It's 8 pounds lighter. That's a lot of pounds. Like if you look at the dirt bike industry, you know, shaving off 8 pounds, that's some serious diet. And it's completely redesigned, it's faster, it's just supposed to handle way better than 2021. So today let's jump on this bike, hit a track I know, spin some laps, and see how this brand new 2022 Honda feels. Alright guys, so we didn't even take half a lap and it felt like the bike is mine. I was gelling with it after just a half lap. It felt really good. You know, I spent some time on 2020 and 2021 CRF250, and if you guys rode one, you know that the power was, majority of the power was up top. There wasn't a lot of bottom and there wasn't a lot of mid, but the bike really liked to be revved and all the power came up, and the smile on your face with it when you hit the higher RPM. But for 2022, Honda really tried to increase that power to keep that top, you know, keep that nice revving high RPM power, but then also move the power down low into the bottom and in the mid-range. So they raised it by 20%, and honestly I can tell you that it is noticeable right off the bat. You twist the throttle in a low RPM, you feel that this bike just wants to move forward, and the power is nice, linear, and still has that kind of like a high RPM hit that it had before, but the mid and the bottom is way more usable and it just feels much better. You know, on those previous models, you kind of wanted to do something to the bike, to either vortex ignition or something, you know, to bring up your bottom, but this one feels really good stuck from the shoulder floor. So I was really surprised that how nice that this power works, and it was really pleasure to ride it. This thing feels so good. You know, they changed the airbags, they changed the port for exhaust and some other things to move the power a little bit down low, and I think this year Honda, they nailed it. Plus, you know, as I mentioned in the beginning, they saved 8 pounds. 8 pounds is a lot. You know, that's a heavy diet if you shave 8 pounds off of the bike, and you can really feel it. It just feels so light and nimble in your hands. Plus, you know, it's a little bit narrower. It has this updated look and only has one exhaust, so it's all you know, like this new 450 look that what we know from 2021, and it just works. It works. It looks great and feels amazing in my hands. As I said, I was gelling with the bike, you know, hitting these jumps and, you know, hitting the corners. I was trying to cut inside, outside. Bike just felt really good. Switching inside, outside, so nice on this bike. Alright guys, so officially I think this is the best stack 250 4-stroke that I ever ridden. Seriously guys, it's so good. The feel I had on the bike, man, just really a good amount of everything. The power is really good. I can just feel that it is better. Definitely has better bottom, nice mid, and it pulls long enough. It shifts so well, you know, and it just feels like it's my bike. That's what I said also on when I was riding on the track. And you can definitely tell the bike is lighter, it's slimmer, and just feels really good. I really enjoyed cutting, you know, from outside to inside turns when I was cutting on the berm turns and trying to, you know, come in the way you would do when you want to pass somebody. I was trying to practice that, and the bike really fell into my hands and just felt so good when I was cutting like that. And you know, jumping everything, stock suspension, nobody touched it. We didn't even do the sag for me. I think
it's somewhat in the range, and it just felt really good, man. 2022 Honda, you guys did good job. It's really a great bike. I can imagine just buying this bike and have it stuck and ride it. Of course, you can do some bolt-on power. You can do FMF, this and that, maybe Vertex or something. But I was on the most aggressive map, and that thing just felt really good. It's man, such a nice package, and it looks incredible. It's a great looking bike. So Hondas are really growing on me. I rode 2020, I rode 2021, and this upgraded 2022. It's definitely a big step forward. I think if you guys have a chance to ride one, you will see and you will feel the difference. So now I'm excited to see updated 250RX. Let's see how that feels. This thing is not missing anything. Really, it has just enough of pretty much everything. Brakes are amazing, really good clutch. It does not come with a hydraulic clutch. Wouldn't be a bad thing to have hydraulic clutch, but doesn't feel too bad. It's one finger clutch all day long, not too bad, and it feels really nimble in your hands. Bike went where I pointed it, and it just feels good. As I said, probably the best 250 out of the showroom floor, 100% stock. Alright, my friends, well, that's about it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have a chance to ride one of these bikes, jump on it, you're gonna love it. If you are contemplating to buy one, go for it. It will make you happy. Alright guys, well, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later. This thing is good. This thing already feels like my bike. Wow, it's good.